if a greater than 0, b greater than 0 and a plus b equals to pi by 6, then the minimum value of tanA plus tanB. To solve it, first of all, we convert tanA plus tanB in terms of sine and cos. Right. So first we write here that we have tanA plus tanB. tanA plus tanB, this is equals to sine A by cos A plus sin B by cos B. Okay, sin B by cos B. Now we take their LCM of denominator, and now we have here cos A into cos B, cos A into cos B. If we divide the LCM by cos A, then we get cos B, and hence we multiply here sin A to cos B, then we get here sin A into cos B, sin A into cos B, and plus here we get cos A into sin B. Okay, now we know that sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B is equals to sin A plus B. So we write here sin A plus B, and here we have cos A into cos B. Yes, so we write here cos A into cos B in denominator. Now we have given a plus b is equals to pi by 3 is pi by 6. This is equals to 30 degree, right? In radian we have given pi by 6. So we write here sine pi by 6, and in denominator we have cos A into cos B. Okay, and this is equals to what? 1 by 2. We know that sine 30 degree is equals to 1 by 2. So we write here 1 by 2 to write in denominator, and here we have now 2 cos A into cos B in denominator, and we know that the formula 2 cos A into cos B, we know that 2 cos A into cos B equals to cos A plus B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay, and now again we put the value of A plus B, and then we get here 1 by cos A plus B is equals to pi by 6. So we write here pi by 6, and plus here cos A minus B. Okay, now cos pi by 6 means cos 30 degree is equals to root 3 by 2. So we write here 1 by root 3 by 2, and plus cos A minus B. Okay, now we have to find the minimum value of given expression, right? Means we have to find the minimum value of this expression that we have now. So first we solve here by taking LCM 2 and the denominator of cos A minus B. This we get here 2 by root 3 plus 2 times of cos A minus B. Okay, since we have to find the minimum value, so we should divide by maximum number. Okay, and we know that the maximum value of cos A minus B means maximum value of cos theta is equals to 1, right? So if we divide by maximum value, then we get the minimum value. Okay, means look at here, if we have x by y, and if we divide x by the maximum value of y, then we get the minimum value of x plus x by y, right? And if we divide by minimum value of y, then we get the maximum value of x by y. Okay, so we should put the maximum value of cos A minus B here, 2 by root 3 plus 2 times of maximum value of cos A minus B is 1. Here we write take maximum value of what? Cos A minus B. We know that maximum value of cos theta is equals to 1, so we write here 1. Okay, then we get here 2 by root 3 minus 2. Now we root 3 plus 2. Now we rationalize the denominator, then we get here root 3 minus 2, and root 3 minus 2 multiply by root 3 minus 2 in numerator and denominator, we get here 2 times of root 3 minus 2 divided by what? Root 3 plus 2 into root 3 minus 2, which we which give us what? Root 3 square means 3 minus 2 square 4. 3 minus 4 equals to minus 1. Okay, I hope the minimum value of tan A plus tan B. Minimum value of tan A plus tan B equals to what? 4 minus 2 root 3. This is the right answer of this question. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching.